All right, on the bench. This is my own radio, a Uniden Pro A10E. I just picked this up on eBay about a week and a half to like 2 weeks ago, somewhere around there. And I've been looking for one for a long time, and I've been either outbid or it's been too expensive because sometimes you'll see these things for sale and they'll just be, an outrageous amount of money. So yeah, this one here, I wish it was in a little bit better shape, but it was a okay price. I wouldn't say it was a steal for what it is, but it does transmit, does receive, everything is there. I like, at least when I'm looking for a radio, I like to have at least like a decent front. I like to have all the lettering, the silk screening, in place. Just a personal thing that I look for in a radio. So I gave this a quick cleaning, but it still needs to be cleaned a little bit better. So a lot of the stuff will come out. But yeah, this spot here is probably the worst part of the radio there. But yeah, it does transmit, does receive. It seems to be, intact with everything. I took the screws out already to take the case, take the cover off. But yeah, every once in a while I'll take, I'll take a few hours and work on my own stuff. I don't have much time to do that, but this one here is relatively easy to recap and align, so I can do this, easily in a few hours. And yeah, so once I do that, get it cleaned up the best I can, and recapped and aligned, maybe we'll do some quick testing, and we'll put it on the scope, signal generator, and yeah, see how it sounds on the monitor radio, and yeah, basically what I do with all my customers' radios. But yeah, let me get this recapped and aligned and cleaned. I'll probably take these for the level of focus. Yeah, it's not gonna. There we go. I'll take these knobs off, and maybe I'll put them in the ultrasonic cleaner and get those things cleaned as well. So, all right, stand by, guys. All right, the radio is done. It's looking better, performing way better. So yeah, I got everything nice and clean, as clean as I could anyway. Put two new LEDs on the back. If you guys don't know, if you have never taken one of these apart, there's two bulbs on either side of that meter, incandescents. So I swapped out, and then there's two resistors. I don't know what value they are from right from Uniden, but to drive those two bright white LEDs, I swapped those out for 220 ohm resistors, one for each LED. So yeah, it's looking good, nice and bright, but not super bright. So yeah, it's excellent. Recapped, aligned, deglued. There's the caps, there's the glue. So yeah, it's my own radio, so I'm just gonna try to rush through this. We can actually do, this is a really good modulating radio on AM, but especially on sideband. So yeah, let's go and see how this thing's transmitting. All right, stand by. All right, we're on AM. Mic gain's all the way up. All right, we have just shy of like a 5 watt, 4.5 watt, 4 up there. All right. $12, that's AM. Nice waveform. Yeah, I don't like to, when I align my radios, my personal radios, I don't do much to them. I try to keep them as stock as possible. I don't do clarifier mods on my own radios. That's just my personal preference. So yeah, the only, like I had stated before, the only mod I did was the LED mod. But yeah, like I said, these things are really, really good modulating radios. Audio, 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 audio. Not that you normally talk like that in the microphone, but you know, people like to see those high numbers, so that audio sound definitely gets that needle going. I know nobody really nobody really talks into the mic like that, but hey, it's what everybody does. So you know, you like to see those high numbers. All right, let's do lower sideband. Just shy of 20. Yeah, this waveform's always weird on sideband, but it's not a blob. So that's what you definitely don't want to see. But anyway, yeah, that's transmit. All right, let's go right to receive. Stand by. All right, she's hooked up to the signal generator. Got an S9. All right, minus 70. Try to make this as quick as possible. All right, let me get this plugged in. Let's see what she's doing for sensitivity. Sorry, it's going to get loud per usual. Minus 80, it's 90, it's minus 100. Minus 110. Minus 111, 112, 13, 14. We'll call it that. 14. Almost 14. All right. Yeah, really good. That's a really good listening radio. Bring this back. All right, minus 70. Yeah, it's a really good listening radio. You know, it sucks that that's burnt there. There's nothing I could really do about that. But it's looking way better anyway. If I ever find one that's in a little bit better shape and you know, at a decent price, I'll probably pick it up as well. But for now, this is my only Uniden Pro A10E, so I might actually put this one as my bench radio for now, because I want to actually take that one, and that one still has the original caps, and it hasn't been touched in years, so I'd like to eventually do that, and maybe even just mothball it up on a shelf, because I have a Madison that I'm doing up as well, and I might just keep that one on the as my permanent bench radio. But I think for now this one might be the new bench radio. But all right, let's go on air and see if we can get some skip going, and actually maybe get a radio check or something. So all right, stand by. Almost forgot to do a monitor radio test. All right, here we go. Sorry, I'm trying to make this video quick, but you guys have to hear how this thing sounds on the monitor radio. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing out this Uniden Pro 810E. This thing is a modulating monster, one of my favorite radios, performing radios and looking radios. So yeah, this thing is sounding really good. This is AM, and yeah, just a really good modulating radio. So yeah, now you can see why I wanted one of these. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Yeah, what a good radio this is. Alright guys, let's go on air and see what's going on out there. Hopefully we can get a good radio check, and yeah, take it from there. Stand by. Alright, skip's been a little weird, but let's try. This has an awesome noise blanker as well. Whatever noise that's coming from, it might be from this light, but look at that, quiets it right up. Sorry. So quiet. Let's try somewhere else. Like I said, it's been weird, but yeah, it's been dead. So strange. It was yesterday. It was just all over, but today it's dead. Let's go back to AM.
About a quarter of the way up, about a third of the way up. 5
Sorry guys, I'm trying to rush through this so this video isn't long enough what it needs to be. Yeah, no lower sideband skip either. At some point, I'd like to possibly change that out to like a blue display, but it's a weird size. It's not like your typical size. So it's it might take a little bit to find, but they're out there. But high cut works nice too. It's not like too much.
Damage is already done. Hey, Williams Jammer, I heard you. I did. Superman, I got you both all up in here. Motor mouth, small work, and a small ball peen hammer stepping right there, Frank.
Let's hang around 6 for a little while, see what Motormouth Mall's up to. Sounds horrible, whatever that is.
Superman, I appreciate you let me know. And tell UFO Killer when he gets up on your radio that I said hello to John from John, Motormouth Mall. Big bad John, right here. Well, I got down, break.
He's got some good audio. All right. Alright guys, I'm going to end it here. There you have it, one of my favorite radios. I'm glad I was able to finally find one. It was the first. Hopefully I'll find another one in better shape. Alright guys, thanks for watching.